Hello, I'm Professor Anthony Ewusi, a professor of hydrogeology at the Geological Engineering Department of the University of Mines and Technology. I'm excited to personally invite you to my inaugural lecture on the 11th of September 2025 at the UMAT Auditorium at 3 p.m. For years, I've dedicated my research to understanding the critical but yet unforeseen world of groundwater and what I call the invisible layer beneath my feet. I'll be discussing the science behind the precious resource, the threats it's currently undergoing, and why its sustainability and management is important for our survival. This is an opportunity to explore a subject that impacts on our health, agriculture, and life, and also the future. I'll be honored if you could join me on that fateful day on the 11th of September 2025 at the UMAT Auditorium Hall at 3 p.m. Hope to see you there. Thank you.